The intimate life of Kristen Stewart is rather difficult to follow lately. Having briefly frequented Singer Soko last spring, and having broken with longtime girlfriend Alicia Cargill, the 26-year-old actress had been inseparable from the ex-companion of Cara Delevingne, the Canadian singer St. Vincent. Today, it seems that this romance is already part of the past, since the Hollywood star does not leave his eyes of a famous star of the podiums, the model Stella Maxwell. The 26-year-old bomb, which is also known as one of the angels of the Victoria's Secret brand, had frequented the singer Miley Cyrus for a few months in 2015. Kristen Stewart and Stella Maxwell, who had been in the same circle for some time, attracted the attention of photographers last May when they had joined the private party after the Met Ball in New York. At the time, their entourage had denied the rumors of a possible idyll, assuring that they were only simple friends. This time, it is in Georgia, and more precisely in Savannah, where the American actress is currently shooting her next film, that the two women found themselves. Came to visit Kristen Stewart for several days, the British top was seen many times at his side for outings with friends. According to the Daily Mail, there is no doubt that the actress